Good morning, all. In today's class of business studies, I will discuss scientific management developed by F.W. Taylor. So, the new topic is scientific management, which is developed by F.W. Taylor. Next, I will discuss background and history of F.W. Taylor. His full name is Frederick Winslow Taylor. It is written here Frederick Winslow Taylor. So, Frederick Winslow Taylor or F.W. Taylor was born in 1856 in USA, United States of America. In 1878, he joined Midwell Steel Company as a mechanical engineer. Moving his engineering background, Taylor set out scientific studies and techniques. He was primarily concerned about the efficiency of workers. Yes, Taylor worked for efficiency of workers and optimum utilization of resources. Taylor's principles and techniques were based on the observations he conducted in factories. Yes, Taylor conducted observations in factories where methods of production lacked planning and working methods were not good. Here are contributions of Taylor. F.W. Taylor or Frederick Winslow Taylor became famous as a father of scientific management. It is important to note down F.W. Taylor is called as father of scientific management because he has developed all the principles related with science. So F.W. Taylor is now called as father of scientific management. Every student must note down this. This is very important. F.W. Taylor is considered as a father of scientific management. His main contributions were so many. Next, meaning of scientific management. Scientific management can be defined as applying science. Means for every work in management, if we apply science, it will become scientific management. In general language, it means apply scientific tools, methods, train personnel in order to increase the profit. Scientific management insists on replacement of rule of thumb. It is the main topic here. Science means just remove all the old rules, all the feelings, experience, just work on the practical basis, just work on and follow the rules which are scientifically proven. So scientific management means replacing rule of thumb with science. That means decision in organization should not be taken on basis of will and wish of manager, but decision must be based on scientific studies, conducted by using scientific tools. Definition of scientific management. According to F.W. Taylor, scientific management means knowing exactly what you want men to do and seeing that they do it in the best and cheapest way. It is the important thing. Just learn everyone definition of scientific management. Taylor says scientific management means आप ये पता करो आपको क्या करवाना है, बिकॉज मैनेजमेंट इज़ ऑल अबाउट गेटिंग थिंग्स डन बाय अदर्स. तो आप पहले डिसाइड कर लो एग्जैक्टली आपको वर्कर से क्या करवाना है, देन चेक करिए कैसे कर रहे हैं वो, क्या वो बेस्ट तरीका है, एंड इज़ इट चीपेस्ट ऑल्सो, मीन्स आपकी कॉस्ट भी कम लग रही है. सो दिस इज़ द डेफिनेशन ऑफ साइंटिफिक मैनेजमेंट. Scientific management means knowing exactly what you want men to do and seeing that they do it in the best and cheapest way. So here is the meaning of scientific management with background and history of F.W. Taylor, also meaning and definition of scientific management. In next video I will discuss principles by F.W. Taylor. Thank you for today.